You are welcome to Smartphone Faculty. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a file to your Google Drive without downloading it. How you can add a file to your Google Drive without downloading it. If you want to get a file from a Google Drive link, you don't necessarily need to download that file to your phone. All you just need to do is to add the shortcut of that file to your Google Drive. Remember, before you can use Google Drive, you must have a Gmail account and a smartphone or an iPad or a computer, but you must have a Gmail account. So when you have a Gmail account, automatically Google gives you free 15 gigabytes of storage in your Google Drive. But before I show you how you can add a file to your Google Drive without necessarily downloading it to your phone, I will have to introduce you quickly to what Google Drive is all about. For those that may not know what Google Drive is all about, Google Drive is a platform or an app given by Google in order for you to access, store and share files. Okay, that's basically what Google Drive is all about. You store and access your files from anywhere. You can quickly access recent and important files. You can even search for files by name and content. You can share and set permissions for files and folders. Okay, on the Google Drive, you can view your content on the go even while you are offline. You can also receive notifications about important activities on your files. So these are some of the things you can use Google Drive to do. It's very easy and it's very simple once you have the app on your phone. Okay, so let's dive into how you can add a file to your Google Drive without necessarily downloading that file to your phone. So in order to add a file to your Google Drive without necessarily downloading that file to your phone, the first thing you need is the link to that file. You need the link to that file. When you've gotten the link, as you can see here, this is the link to a file that I want to add to my Google Drive. Then I click on it. Okay, so I click on Drive. So then I click OK. So this is the file that I want to, it's a video that I want to add to my Google Drive. So what I'll click here, then these options will come up. Okay, so when these options come up, you can see add shortcut to drive. So I'll click, instead of clicking download, I'll just, because once I click download, it will be downloaded to my phone. Okay, so for those people that complain of limited storage space in their phones, instead of downloading this file, you can just add it to your drive. It will not be downloaded to your phone, it will be saved in your drive. So anytime you need that file, you can always access it from your Google Drive. So I'll just click add shortcut to drive. So immediately I click add shortcut to drive, these options will come up. So I'll go to my drive. So you can see my drive. There are two ways you can add this. You can just add it straight away by clicking add. You can see shortcut added to my drive. Or the second method you can use is just to click this folder icon. I'll click it, then I'll give it a name. You can name it my videos. Then I click create. So then I click add. So shortcut added to my videos. Shortcut added to my videos. So let me go back to my Google Drive now where I added it. So I'm in my Google Drive now, so you can see my videos, the folder I created where I added the file. Then you can also see when I added it directly. Look at the video over here. When I added it directly, then my videos, when I click my videos, you can see that same file also, it was added to my videos. So okay, so basically this is how you can add a file to your Google Drive without necessarily downloading it to your phone, so that anytime you need it, you can always access it from your drive. Okay, so if you love this video, if you've learned something, please subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. I'll be teaching you a lot. Just subscribe and wait for more videos. If you want to learn some things with your smartphone and you want me to make videos on that to teach you how you can do them, you can just comment or send an email to the email showing right now. Just send me an email to that to this email, and I will attend to it and do my possible best to make such videos for you to learn. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. See you in the next video.